What exactly is the bitwise OR operator? Represented by the pipe symbol, it compares two numbers bit by bit and returns a 1 if at least one of the bits is 1, and if both bits are 0, then it will return a 0. To help you further understand this, let's take a look of an example in Python. Let's take two numbers, 10 and 3. We'll apply the bitwise OR operator on them, and when I run that code, you'll see that we get 11. But why does this happen? To understand it, we need to convert the numbers to binary and then apply the OR operator step by step. In binary, 10 is 1010 and 3 is 0011. Now let's compare them bit by bit. In the first position, 10 has a 0 and 3 has a 1. So the result is 1 because 1 or 0 is equal to 1. In the second position, 10 has a 1 and 3 has a 1. The OR operator returns 1 because 1 or 1 is 1. In the third position, 10 has a 0 and 3 has a 0, so the result is 0, because 0 or 0 is 0, neither of them are 1. Finally, in the last position, 10 has a 1 and 3 has a 0, which resulted 1, because one of those numbers is 1. When you put all this together, you get 1011 in binary, which is 11 in decimal. That's why 10 or 3 equals 11. So that's the bitwise OR operator. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.